Hola Stallions. In this video, we're going to cover the seasons. Once again, just like we did in our wrap video, this also covers the seasons and a couple other, like some weather related conditions too. So I'm going to start off by explaining what it means. La bella primavera de verde se vistió. That translates into the beautiful spring of green she dressed herself. The beautiful spring of green she dressed herself. So we learned that hermosa means beautiful. Now we're learning a synonym. Bella also means beautiful. Spring is a feminine season, hence the feminine adjective beautiful. And then we move to el verano ya viene y trae mucho calor. El verano ya viene means the summer is coming. It's already coming. It's on its way. And it brings. Look at the trae. It looks like tray. We bring things out on a tray. So that's the verb to bring. The summer is coming already and it brings much calor, much heat. Okay, because when we're in spring, summer is just right around the corner. It's on its way. It's coming already, and it brings like a tray, much calor, heat. Remember the cal, Latin root has to do with heat, like California, the land of heat, right? California is known for its heat. Calories, we burn calories. So hopefully you'll make that cal connection with heat. This is the noun heat. Then it says cantar, cantar, and that's the verb to sing, to sing. And so I always go like this. Que hace mucho calor, que hace mucho calor is how he sings it in the song. And that just means, oh, it's so hot out. The atmosphere is making so much heat. Then we move to our next season, el otoño con sus vientos, the autumn with its winds. We talked about vientos in the other one, looking like the word vent. And air comes out of a vent. And wind is air in motion. That's what wind is. So the autumn or the fall with its winds, las hojas tirará. And then it says the leaves will all be blown around by the autumn and by the winds. So the leaves will all be blown around by the winds. Okay, they'll be thrown around by the winds in the autumn. Now it says, and that's why there's pictures of leaves. Cuando llega el invierno, and that means when the winter arrives. So cuando is when, llega arrives, when arrives, el invierno, the winter. Remember, we stay inside in the winter. So when arrives the winter, or you can think of it as when the winter arrives, a todos enfriarán. Everybody will get freezing cold. Everybody will get cold. So if we look at this verb enfriar, that's the verb to get cold, to become cold. And it looks like frío, which we've talked about means cold, and freezing. You can think of that too. So that's what happens in the invierno. Everybody gets cold, right? Then it goes back to cantar, cantar, sing, 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 sing. Cantar is your verb to sing. Que me congelo yo. And me congelo yo means I'm freezing. Me congelo, I'm freezing. I'm going to play the música right now for you. Here we go.
La bella primavera de verde se vistió, el verano ya viene y trae mucho calor.
Again. La bella primavera de verde se vistió, el verano ya viene y trae mucho calor. Cantar, sing, sing, cantar, que hace mucho calor. Again. Cantar, sing, sing, cantar, que hace mucho calor. El otoño con sus vientos las hojas tirará. Cuando llegue el invierno a todos enfriarán. otoño con sus vientos las hojas tirará. Cuando llegue el invierno a todos enfriarán. Cantar, sing, sing, que me congelo yo. I'm freezing. Cantar, sing, sing, que me congelo yo. I'm freezing. Back to the beginning. La bella primavera de verde se vistió, el verano ya viene y trae mucho calor. Again. La bella primavera de verde se vistió, el verano is coming y trae mucho calor. Canta, sing, 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 que hace mucho calor. It's so hot. Cantar, sing, sing, que hace mucho calor. El otoño con sus vientos las hojas tirarán. Cuando llegue el invierno a todos enfriarán. Brr. El otoño con sus vientos las hojas tirará. Cuando llegue el invierno a todos enfriará. Cantar, sing, sing, que me congelo yo. Brr. Cantar, que me congelo yo. Cantar, sing, sing, que me congelo yo. Gracias,